I am in the process of replacing the kitchen faucet. So these pipes are freaking super sensitive. I think I already tightened them up best as I could. Nope, I didn't. I stopped because I wanted to show you guys. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. This is very hard to get to because I have a divider under the sink, and it's not gonna let me get my full body underneath, so I have to hang in halfway. Is that fun? No, but it is what it is. Now we might have a slight drip coming also. Let me take my head wrap off and place it where you guys can see better. Yeah, that should be much better for you guys. I know it's still kind of hard to see though. Yeah. All right. Anyway, so I have to unhook these lines right here first. Yeah, let's go. This is a pain because I can't really get underneath like I need to. And I gotta also watch the lines as I'm turning. Now, if you're at home, you probably don't have half of this issue because you got copper pipes and whatnot, so you don't have to worry about being super careful with everything. Well, this is very old plumbing. CPVC to be exact, so that's what I'm working with. Alright, so luckily that wasn't on too tight. Now I can let loose with my hand. If I can get to it. There we go. Alright. There we go. Now let's see how tight this is. And we do have a drip coming. So let's do a bucket. Always keep one of these guys, a little bucket, you know, cut off bucket or whatever. It's perfect for drips up underneath seats and up by toilets and all of that stuff. Perfect. All right. Let's see. So we got lucky with another thing, because this seems to be loose. A lot of times these are stuck. You'll spend 30 minutes trying to get this one nut off, if not more. So when the plumber tell you they're gonna charge you $200 or more to replace your plumbing or your faucet or whatever, this is one of the reasons why. Because time is money. A lot of times this takes way too long. Voila, it's off. All right. This is the old one. Taking it off, placing it in the sink. All of these parts. I would have time to clean up this mess right here, but I don't have anything, I don't think, to wipe it up with. So the cleaner's gonna have to wipe around it when she gets in here. Here's the new faucet. Hot is on the left. Cold is on the right. Boom. All I gotta do now is to keep this in place while I want to change the way the weight is. Just turn it to the back towards the wall so it'll lean back versus lean forward. Take your bolts. You're gonna take these right here. Tighten them back on. So if you couldn't see while I was working the button, you just see you gotta put that back onto here. That's what I was doing. What I was telling you about these right here might be very hard to take off. They got tools for those too, but the tools like $25 to remove these, and sometimes you still don't get it off. Anyway, I'm gonna go back up under the sink, put everything back on. I hit y'all back when I'm done with the install process. So just in case you guys can't see that this is really bad. I mean, I have 3 different colors right here. I have this color, it's a scuff color, and then it's a white color. The countertop guys are coming tomorrow. The cleaners is coming in after we finish in here, which will be in a few minutes. So I'm still gonna caulk this up to make it look like it's supposed to look, just in case the countertop guys don't quite do their job that it's supposed to. It happens, so you know, you never know. Hey, I know like that. this I know like. Okay. But it's okay. Use. I'd rather use my hand. So my guy's using this little square mechanism that they use just for caulking, but we're gonna see who's come out the best when it's done. Not saying I'm better than him, I'm just saying that I don't like that little contraption that they have for it. Just not ideal for me. I'm so used to, I was taught to use your hand basically, and always have a rag that was kind of damp on one end. But I'm gonna stop right here and see how well it comes out for him. Too hot with that one. quit on me.
Okay, Darren, what else?
I think that's it.
Stop.
Hello?
Hello, how are you?
What's going on with you?
Not much. Are you on lunch?
I am not.
Okay. I have a resident that's in the laundry room right now.
Yeah.
Says she loaded the two machines with her stuff to wash her clothes for work. She left and came back, and one washed and the other one didn't run at all.
Okay. I'll be well, let me get all my stuff out of this apartment I'm in, and I'll be over there. So she's at the washer right now?
Yeah, I'll tell her you're coming.
Yeah, tell her I'm coming.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. I don't know if it's still recording or paused or what. Yeah, it's still recording. That's cool. Now, the last week, the washing machines, we cut back on. And I put tape on the one that was bad. Somebody said they washed one load, but the other load didn't wash.
Tyrone,
Yes.
I'm going to lunch,
Now? Oh, it's 1 o'clock. Okay.
and I take the trash. I took the trash.
Uh-huh.
What else?
That's it.
That's it. Okay.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
I'm going right behind.
See you soon.
See you soon. Drive safe. Yeah, see how smooth that looks? I love the finger. Just for that reason. You just gotta wash it off your hands when you're done. Nice hot water, and voila. My hands still look dirty because, I don't know, I was cleaning with some chemicals the other day, and I had some oil on my hands also. I'm gonna have to get some of that Go Gel. Get my hands how they're supposed to be.